Warm greetings to you. My name is Dr. Joseph M. Munyua. Today we are focusing on the text analysis. In research, the techniques of the data analysis are the strategic approaches that researchers use to draw the much needed useful information from the collected raw data. In reality, therefore, the aforesaid strategic approaches enable researchers to break down the said collected raw data and after that draw inferences from the resultant analyzed data. The text analysis is one of the above mentioned techniques of the data analysis. In research, the text analysis technique can be used to analyze either qualitative data or quantitative data. This technique of the data analysis is also called the data mining. Generally, the text analysis technique is used in research when the collected data is really voluminous and therefore unmanageable. For instance, a particular huge data could be composed of the customer transactions of 1 week in a given company. That is 5 million customer transactions. In this case, analyzing such a huge data is a repetitive, a time-consuming, an expensive, and a never-ending process. In view of that, the involved data analysis requires a machine, but not humans. By means of the aforesaid machine, that is a computer program, a huge text can automatically be analyzed within a short time. Herein, the involved text analysis software performs the analytical tasks according to how it has been set. Hence, the involved computer should be set in such a way that it will be able to analyze, understand, and derive meaning from a particular text. Note that in this case, the computer is expected to behave like human beings. Like human beings, the said computer will be able to differentiate between words, topics, phrases, emotions, concepts, and so forth. It will also be able to understand and show the existence and the frequency of certain words, phrases, emotions, opinions, and so on. For instance, the said computer will be able to detect emotions and classify them as positive, negative, or neutral. In another related example, through a computer, the involved researcher can have an automated process of understanding opinions about a certain subject from the gathered huge data which could be conveyed in spoken or written words. All in all, the text analysis or data mining is a technique of the data analysis which is used to discover a pattern in large data sets by dint of a special software. This technique enables the concerned researcher to transform the collected huge raw data into useful information towards drawing inferences from the said data and, if need be, making the related informed decisions. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.